Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go here to the left sidebar and you want to check your spam folders and your archive folders because your emails might have accidentally went to these folders, but if they are not, next thing that you can do is you're gonna go to the settings over here at the right sidebar, then you want to scroll down and click on filters and you want to check if there are any filters that have mistakenly filtered your emails. But if there aren't, next thing that you can check is you're gonna click on anti-spam over here and you will see the block list over here. Then you can go ahead and check if the emails that you are expecting are actually or from email addresses that you might have blocked. And lastly, you might want to check your internet connection because that could also interfere with your Zoho mail. So some emails might take some time to finally arrive to your inbox. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.